Hey folks, thank you so much for stopping by this video. Obviously, you're here right now because you're struggling to make money online and you're looking for a solution for your problem. Maybe you've been online and for a couple years now and you're just not finding a way to make consistent income, or maybe you're just new to internet marketing and you need help in your endeavor, okay? Well, what I'm going to show you today is how I made $250 using a system. Um, that's working for a lot of people online, and how you can use the same system to make it work for you, how you can generate your first $250 in the next 3 days. Okay, I just want to show you proof that this is working. I put my own money up. I've taken all the risk that's needed to be taken to show people that this is real and that I'm real. That's why I have my face on camera. So I just want to show you those results. I'm gonna log into my PayPal account right now. I'm gonna show you a $250 commission that I just made on March 30th. And like I said, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do the same thing, okay? And this is not to brag or boast. This is just I'm trying to help as many people as I can to make money online, okay? Because there's a lot of scams out there. So as you can see, there's $250 commission. There's a $250 commission. I just made that on the 30th, and I did it by following a simple system that I'm going to show you on the other side of this page. Okay, and that's what I have for you today. Uh, if you're struggling to make money online, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a $250 commission in the next 3 days. Okay, and I'm going to show you where I got the traffic. I'm going to show you the exact system that I use. I'm going to give you the system, and I'm going to give you a mega bonus on the other side of this page. Like you will not you will not regret putting the correct email address below, because that's the only way you're going to get the bonus. But the bonus is going to help you kickstart this process, and it's going to help you speed up the process of making your first $250 commission as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Ex- I mean, this thing is converting. As you see, you saw my results. If that interests you, though, give me your correct email address. I'm going to show you, I'm going to train you exactly what you need to do on a daily basis to get the same results that I have, okay? And that a ton of people have gotten using this system, all right? So with that being said, God bless you, and I hope to see you on the inside.